Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on Palantir just several days ago, to be exact on June 26th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see, at $107.27. And at this point, my main assumption was that this asset should have this type of correction into the fourth wave, and this green rectangle was the range where it could have this trend reversal. And guys, take a look right here. This is the actual price action of Palantir, and I made my previous video when this asset was at this point. And since I made it, as you can see, we had a very sharp V-shaped correction. And to be honest, guys, I have very good news for Palantir holders from the technical standpoint. Everything I will show you in just several minutes, but for now, as you can see, technical analysis works perfectly well. This could be the bottom of the third wave, and this might be, well, some kind of retracement into the fourth wave. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel
and join my Patreon account. And guys, this is the post that I wrote on January the 30th. It is a public post that you can find on my Patreon. It is pretty much all trade alerts that I made from December the 1st to January the 30th. These are the results of these alerts. You can see that all of the trades were in profit except this one on December 19th. TRWV hit a stop loss order, and we've lost about 1.33% on this trade, but all other trades are in green. That is why you can use these trades in your personal trades as a part of your due diligence. So guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my safe haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So, and on today's video, I will show you what should we expect from the price action of Palantir, why it is extremely bullish right now, and potentially we don't have a bear case on the table anymore, and how you can benefit out of its movements. So, first of all, let me pay attention to the general sentiment related to Palantir stock. And as usual, to find it out, you will have to type in Google search bar Palantir stock and switch to new stuff folder. And I want to pay attention to this article that was published on ts2.tech, and it's titled Palantir stock takes holiday break with $117 billion AI control layer bat hanging. And let me go to these bullet points. The US stocks are closed Friday on the Independence Day holiday. New York Stock Exchange says July the 3rd is the break in 2026. Palantir Technologies finished Thursday at $129.3, rising 14.5% since June 26 and up 20.5% from the closing low on June 25th. D.A. Davidson's $175 price target on Palantir would take on about $117.5 billion in value based on the Q1 diluted share count. That's close to Lockheed Martin's current market cap. The focus this week is on whether the NVIDIA government AI setup will support a stock trading at about 43 times Palantir's 2026 revenue target. And guys, let me pay attention to some details from D.A. Davidson and Alex Karp himself. So, D.A. Davidson's Jill Loria upgraded Palantir, moving the stock to buy from neutral and bumping his target up to 175 from $165. Loria said Palantir has growth into its valuation and called out several competitive advantages, as firms want orchestration layers on top of AI models, Barron's and Investors Business Daily reported. On top of that, guys, I want to pay attention to some details from Alex Karp himself. Palantir CEO Alex Karp used market terms to make his point this week. Talking about the NVIDIA Corporation partnership on CNBC, Karp said, "Everyone who uses LLMs on the battlefield runs on top of our ontology." He said Palantir's layer keeps models safe and useful and precise. Karp added the company is completely agnostic about which model clients pick. So guys, he is very confident about his company and his partnership and his, let's say, usability on the battlefield and on any other industries that might be, where Palantir might be extremely useful. On top of that, let's get back to some projections from analytic firms. If you click on forecast tab folder right here, you can see that the average price target among 23 analysts is extremely high, is still extremely high at $190. Which implies about 47% of upside potential. And guys, I have to say that the most recent price action is very impressive. In a minute, I will show you why I think so. But for now, let me pay attention to another set of Alex Karp's statements. So, here you can see the Twitter account of Arnie Trazi. He is a long-term bull on Palantir, and he reposted this tweet that was written by Emir M. And Emir wrote, Palantir in Q2 of 2022, Alex Karp, amid declining revenue growth, said that Palantir would reach $4.5 billion in 2025. Trailing 12 months revenue was $1.74 billion, 2.5x in 2.5 years. On CNBC yesterday, Karp said they will reach $15 to $18 billion in free cash flow in 2 years, a 5x in 2 years. I believe him. So this is the chart that represents the, let me show you this in details. These bars represent adjusted cash flow on a trailing 12-month basis in millions, and adjusted free cash flow margin represented by this dotted line. As you can see, we have a consistent increase in both of these parameters, and these parameters are crucial for the Palantir's balance sheet because, it is drastically improving on a consistent basis all the numbers from the fundamental standpoint. That is why, guys, I believe Palantir will hit much higher targets, and the most recent price action, this V-shaped correction, potentially might be the bottom for the ABC that So, first of all, let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep, right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. And for now, guys, let's zoom out to, let's say, 4 hours time frame. And this bottom, let's turn off all the tools. This bottom of about $107 could be the bottom for the entire correction. If I'm correct, we might have, wait a second, it is not the case, this is the ABC correction that might have a bottom at this $107 mark. Why do I think so? First of all, let's zoom into the 1 hour time frame, and this V-shaped correction, extremely harsh correction into the fourth wave, it broke all levels that indicate the possibility of another leg to the downside. If it breaks this top, and we are extremely close to this level, let's delete unnecessary tools, I don't need them anymore. We are extremely close to this top. We are not far than just 4.19% from this level, and if it breaks it, the 5 waves structure count will be eliminated, and Palantir might begin its uptrend as I drew with this white arrow. And let's zoom in again right here. Let me show you what types of levels it broke and why this cannot be the fourth wave anymore. You know that any waves, each and every wave in Elliott wave theory has a certain relationship with other waves, and wave 4 cannot be lower and shouldn't be lower than 0.5 fib level if you pull it from the top of the third wave to the bottom of the third wave if the movement goes to the downside. And this breakout above not only 0.5 level but the golden pocket range and 0.786 level as well indicate that it cannot be wave 4 anymore, and this case is pretty much eliminated. We might have ABC to the downside right here with some exceptions. Probably it is a little bit different internally in this type of sideways movement, but this could be the bottom of the retracement, and from this point we might have this next leg to the upside that will hit much higher targets. So how you can benefit out of its movements, guys? For now, on a pre-market, not a pre-market, but on an overnight session, you can see that Palantir is down by about 0.5%. I believe that we might see some kind of retracement in the upcoming sessions, and then we might have another leg to the upside that if it breaks, first of all, this top and this top as well, it will be a confirmation of the beginning of at least medium-term uptrend. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.